As far as Doge support floor, it most certainly is currently $0.056 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin cost examination generally is bullish today, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, or so they for the most part thought. Doge for the most part rose 16.14% in 7 days, which truly is genuinely critical. 25 October 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these often for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Certainly is Doge a fundamentally wise interest in a for the most part significant manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, which really is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Doge specialized examination, by and large, let us especially discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,266,797,359,948 in a genuinely significant manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $53,871,161,058, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination. Sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period, especially further appearance how 25 October 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some things, facts. What generally is certainly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, basically is Doge a truly wise venture, or so they in a real sense thought. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP sort of is up by 0.27, and as of now exchanging at 56 cents. Which especially shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions especially show that the market is going in a really descending heading for essentially transient and in every practical sense, significant way. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which sort of is genuinely huge. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become most certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly further appearance, how Doge truly rose 16.14% in 7 days in a truly significant manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants sort of become move pretty dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they most certainly thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, sort of is at $0.068, up 2.87% in the beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 16.14% throughout the week, or so they for the most part thought. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 481,959,882.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $9,628,141,923 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense are practically 141,559,956,384 basically are available for use out of 141,559,956,384 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for 25 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, all things considered, further appearance how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%. Showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Doge specialized investigation, essentially let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which basically is very critical. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Dogecoin. Which explicitly shows that there especially are practically 141,559,956,384, certainly are available for use out of 141,559,956,384, or so they in a real sense thought. While Doge's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange in every way that really matters, signal for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a by and large significant manner. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, so support truly is a level at which purchasers become genuinely additional extremely dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty further appearance, how Doge in every way that really matters rose 16.14% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters day-to-day outline in a genuinely enormous manner basically. The exceptionally relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin especially is in oversold stage, as RSI essentially is at 24. Pretty further appearance how the extremely complete exchanging volume really remains at $53,871,161,058 in a significant manner. Ends at this point, Dogecoin in a real sense is getting along nicely, and in every way that really matters, is endeavoring to truly break out of the ruddy zone, which explicitly shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every practical sense, all the more beautiful dynamic can truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Extremely further appearance how Doge in a real sense rose 16.14% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. To essentially put resources into the advanced money, crypto financial backers really need to explicitly see the Doge move into the kind of certain zone, exhibiting how to in every practical sense put resources into the computerized cash. Crypto financial backers